It's a year since I stripped my car to a bare shell. So Dave is giving me the keys to his 8.6 because I actually don't remember what it's like to own one.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
Bought this one night when I was in Bits and then it came 3 months later, so this is what.
This is a full Nicolas Cage tracksuit. The Ashies, turn around. Joe, that's so fucking weird.
Yeah.
This one?
This one. Nicolas Cage.
Yeah.
Con Air. The Con Air man.
Put the bunny back in the box.
Looks good, doesn't it?
I thought when I was driving down there, I said, he has a queer good tan, that fella. I thought he had a tan. Look at his mouth.
Yeah, I know.
That's like a young one I know.
Oh, Jesus. We just got a classic taste of the Arklow native. Thanks. I'm excited to have this for the weekend. I'm not getting the Nicolas Cage outfit with it, but
This is for me.
Right, so we are going to rebuild the gearbox, put some new synchros in it, so fun. Bring these outside and wash them, bring them back in, try clean everything up.
This does the spinny, spinny, turny, turny.
Yes.
And then it goes in there. And now it doesn't do a spinny, spinny, turny, turny. But you can stick this to this now. Whereas
Perfect.
You couldn't a minute ago because
that's brass or...
this thing was in the way. Look.
Yeah.
See, look, it wasn't magnetic then.
Ah, okay. Oy, incredible. I don't know what I'm doing actually. Dougie has fully stripped this and the synchros bulk rings. Bulk rings are going in. So Dougie put everything in order. So it'll all go back onto the
Order.
shaft.
It's like put all the stuff onto the shaft.
In
And
order.
slide it all on one by one onto the shaft.
Yes, of course.
And eventually the shaft will be complete. And there will be an output. Unfortunately, these are the ones that really get meshed. So
What would you be looking out for
first,
on a...
second gets, see the flat, these ones are kind of pointy,
Yeah.
and these ones are very flat.
So they should be flat on both sides.
No, they should be pointy.
And they're still pointy, so...
First is pointy,
Yeah.
second is flat,
Okay.
because of lots of first gear what, second gear bump. That's not good, but it is what it is.
So I might have a crunchy second.
Well, it'll be better than it was. Oh, that was a magical way I did it.
Yeah, it was. You did that without damaging the bag.
Don't forget to clip in, boys.
That's quite complex looking.
It's no different to that though.
Yeah, I guess. Slide it on. That's
Small, next bigger, and then the
Okay.
biggest.
Yeah.
And fifth is the smallest altogether.
okay. So that's first.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse.
Okay. Crucial moment.
Ooh.
It's coming
Stress
right
free
in.
gearbox installation with flip.
Wow. Trueno's brushing. Funny, you start brushing your teeth. Oh, Jesus, don't. Yeah, look, I'm just doing a bit of a Picasso on the... They used to paint the bell housing on the churches, so now I'm doing a little quick Picasso on the bell housing of the T50. This is fucking next level. It's contagious.
Essential.
Yeah, this is essential. This is essential.
Chaotic.
Holy.
Totally was in a different boat.
Wow. I love cleaning forks.
It's nice and clean, boys. This looks essential also.
Yeah, we're really getting down to the
Nitty gritty.
well Saturday night. Well, everyone else is out partying. We're toothbrush scrubbing pieces of T50 gearbox.
I'm being bummed.
So Brian actually doesn't love cleaning. He likes the clean item. We've gotten to the bottom of this.
But he can't. He just said he doesn't love cleaning.
No, we're just joking. He loves cleaning.
Sealery.
Right. It's nice.
Because look, you can lick it.
You can lick it.
Ruby's just
yeah. Satisfaction there. We also clean in here. No one's ever going to see that.
I'll see it.
Well, everyone is going to see it.
Yeah, well, now they will.
Everybody.
A little bit nicer looking now anyway.
Hello, what's going on?
No, why are you
Nervous, go.
What?
Go.
Moron.
Push it off.
I'll give you a little look around this car because it's actually quite cool. It's only in from Japan about 3 or 4 months. I did a video of it on JDM Distros behind the shutters when I had a different body kit and stuff. But now Dave that I work with owns this, and yeah, it was pretty nice of him to just give me this car. Rubbish cameraman. It does have a half a cage and the back seats are slightly there, but it's still pretty stripped out. But I actually quite like that the interior is blah 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 blah. It's in really good condition. No rust that I can see, unlike my car. This one actually came with a free female. She's attached to the seat. You can't put the seatbelt on. Hi, hello, how are you? We are back in the Trueno car. Classic thing to do around here in Waterford is drive to the beach and show the car the ocean and scare it off.
Yeah, it's just over there.
Rust.
Oh, the tide is out.
Tide is fully out. Let's keep going onto the beach though. Look at that. Real motorsport situation. So yeah, the car has a bit of history. Obviously done a couple of drift days, and if you ever Google or YouTube YZ circuit, you'll see what I mean. It's really popular for 8.6. It's like a small go-kart track, and Mizunami Motorland is the same. But yeah, this used to have a Vortex kit on it. Now it doesn't. It has late spec bumper with an early spec front lip. It's quite nice. It's got red lines on the rear, which is the Trueno rear light that came after 85. That was the crossover year for kooky rear lights. It's got a run-free rear fiberglass boot lid, full things fiberglass with the TRD wing meshed into it. It's got these optional extra plastic fucking arch liners, which are actually drilled into the arch, and it usually causes rust. I'm not the biggest fan of these. They can work, but it obviously had them continuously on down, but it looks like it's straight out of the 90s with the skinny offset wheels, but they definitely suit the car. The more I've actually driven it and looked at it, the more I've fallen in love with this simple look that it has. You can just trash it down a back road and it doesn't rub or anything. Like it's low, but it's not that low. I've had it for 4 days and I've just been driving it every day, driving it to work, driving it to go get food. It's just, people don't do that anymore with these in Ireland. They kind of are put away in sheds and they're rarely used, but I just wanted to drive with it every day just to see how livable it is. And this is a very, very livable, reliable, simple turnkey 8.6. Whoa, that made a massive mental sound. Do that again. Nice. Let's take a look. Bang. So just like many A86s from back in the day, a lot of them were actually red standard and they were repainted in white or panda. As you can see, this one was red and it's actually quite original still. Has the original. Yeah, it's missing the piece that goes across here, but it's the original airbox. It still has power steering, it's got the air conditioning. There's not much modifications except for the old strut brace, the fancy thing, TRD leads.
Yes, it's all there.
Yeah, it's a really nice, clean stock horns. It's got no real rust, which is mad. A really clean shell. It's got the standard manifold and everything with the heat shield, which is quite rare because a lot of these actually get taken off for a aftermarket.
Yeah, and it
4
drives.
branch. Color is 2T6, which is red panda, and it was built in the A plant. The A plant is the first original plant where they built most of these.
Wait,
My car was built in the A plant, and Dougie's car was built in the A plant as well.
Yes.
Now we leave the beach and go away.
Back to Toge Battle.